next we can see representation of function. Representation of function, four way we can find. So arrow diagram according to table form, set order pair, and graphical form. So example 1.11. So what is the question given here? So let A is equal to and B is equal to and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. Let f from A to B. Function is f from A to B. F from A to B here. Function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function. So for really we can find. So A set no. So A set we can A set and all x elements there. X elements. This full elements and all we can say x elements. B set and all y elements we can say no. So then can find the solution. So what is the f of x given? The function of x. Function of x given. So given f of x equal to 3x minus 1 now. Given f of x equal to 3x minus 1. So then here what variable using? X variable now. So x variable means in A set only I would take. A set only x elements there. X elements there. So take that A set. So what are the elements first there? Put x equal to 1. First element 1 now. So x equal to 1. In f of x here we can substitute. So what will come? So f of x equal to 3x minus 1 now. So x place we can substitute 1. So what will get? F of 1 equal to 3 into 1 minus 1. So 3 into 1 3 minus 1. So f of 1 equal to 2. So f of 1 is 2. Then next value 2 now. Put x equal to 2. So in f of x we can substitute f of x equal to 3x minus 1 now. So then what will get? F of 2 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. 3 2 is 6 minus 1. So f of 2, what is the value of f of 2? 5 now. So 6 minus 1, 5. So then you can take, put x equal to 3. So in f of x you can substitute. So f of x equal to 3x minus 1 now. So then f of 3 is equal to 3 into 3 minus 1. So 3 3 is 9 minus 1. So f of 3. So what is the f of 3? 8. 9 minus 1? 8. 9 minus 1? 8. So next you can take, put x equal to 4. X equal to 4. Now, so then what will get? In f of x we can substitute f of x equal to 3x minus 1 now. So then f of 4 is equal to 3 into 4 minus 1. 3 4 is 12. 12 minus 1. What will you get? F of 4? 11. F of 4? 11. So, if you take x equal to 1 means 2 getting. 2 take means 5 getting. 3 means 8 getting. 4 means 11 getting. Now, so you take here say 1 take means 2 getting. Now, so 2 take means 5 getting. And 3, if you take 3 means 8 getting. Then 4 means 11. So the types will go. No. So then this only we have to consider function. So in this, what is the function we have to take first? What is the function? So you take 1 comma 2. The relation is, you take 1 means 2 getting, 2 means 5 getting, then 3 means 8 getting, and 4 means 11 getting. This is only function. What is the function? What are the function there in this? What are the function we did? Then after that we have to find what is the arrow diagram. First condition you have to find what is the arrow diagram. So what is the arrow diagram? You have to find. So according to arrow diagram, we have to find. So draw the what is the A set? So what is the B set? What is the B set you consider? So A set, what are the elements there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In B set, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. No. So then what are the function here given? What are the relation of function? So we can consider 1 comma 2. 1 is the relation of 2. 2 is the relation of 5. Then 3 is the relation of 8. 4 is the relation of 12. So in this only function. So all pre-image have one image. All pre-image have one image. So it is a function. All pre-image have one image. So here you can write every pre-image have one image. Therefore it is a function. Therefore it is a function. So next you can find. So next to what you will find? Table form. You have to find table form now. So then so what is the table form you can find? Second, you can find table form. A table form. So what is the table form? We can consider. You can find. So in table, we can consider x, and if you take x means we will get f of x getting now. If you take x value means f of x getting. Now, so x and f of x, you will take x and f of x. So then 1 take means 2 getting. If you take 1 means 2 getting. If you take 2 means 5 getting. So if you take 3 means 8 getting. If you take 4 means 11 getting. Now f of x 11 getting. So here, so what is the x? What is the f of x? So in table form we did. Now, so next you can find set of order pairs. A set of order pairs. Okay, C, D. No. So then, see what? A set of ordered pairs. The set of ordered pairs means this function only set of ordered pair. So set in order pairly there. Set in order pairly there. So function f is equal to 1 comma 2, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 11. Now this is set in order pairly form. Now, so next you have to find what is the graphical form. What is the graphical form? So what is the graphical form? So you have to consider what is the x-axis, what is the y-axis, what is the origin. So approximately you are taking x-axis, I am giving elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 type giving. So y-axis, so greater element 11 now. So you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So then 1 comma 2. So 1 comma x-axis 1, y-axis 2. So here we can consider now. So only consider means in F. 1 comma 2. So then 2 comma 5. X-axis 2, y-axis 5. So here will come now. 2 comma 5. Then x-axis 3, y-axis 8. X-axis 3, y-axis 8. 8 means where will come here. 3 comma 8. Now, so then next 4 comma 11. 4 x-axis 4, y-axis 11. So 4 comma 11. So in this way we can find graphical form. So what are the error diagram? What is the table form? What is the set order pairs and graphical form? In this way we can find.